monetize their content. If you are a content creator, streamer, or anybody who income, then this video is for you. If you are not in this category, then you can keep scrolling away. All right, so there are two massive platforms on the social entertainment space I want us to review and compare. Remember, I said if you are looking to turn your phone into a literal stream of income, then you have just come to the right place, because these two apps, they are going viral and it is massive. So we have Niki Live and Meyo. Now, the thing about both apps is that they promise that you can go live and, most importantly, get paid in dollars. But let's just tell ourselves the truth. Your time is very valuable. You don't want to get involved and start having agency wahala, completing tasks, streaming to empty rooms just to realize that probably you chose the wrong platform. So let us put them side by side, okay, and break down how each platforms work, which one is for who they are actually for, what the monetization structure is, then you decide which one you want to make use of. Okay, welcome to Topisco Plus. Now, Niki Live. Let's talk about Niki Live. Go to the App Store. I'm going to put the code you can see on the screen. You use it to download Niki Live. So Niki Live, this platform is a powerhouse. We talk about community building, social entertainment, 24/7 global virtual house party. Like they're always partying on that app, and the app thrives on multiplayer interaction. So it is best suited if you have multiplayers interacting. Now, instead of just standing solo in front of the camera wondering what to say, Niki Live is built around party rooms. What does that mean? You can host or join voice and video chat rooms with up to 12 people simultaneously. So it's a game changer. So if you are an introvert or you prefer bouncing off other people's energy, you can play mini games, run PK battles. So for those of you who don't know, PK battles are competitive talent face-off against hosts from other countries. Okay, so you come on the box, people from other countries, then people are in a competition. Do you understand? So on Niki Live, this is how you make money. In case you are like, okay, how do people actually make money? So let me explain it to you. So they use what they call beans system, right? You are not going to see money on the app, you are going to see beans. So the conversion rate is that 10,000 beans is equal to $1. 10,000 beans on Niki Live is equal to $1. So you earn these beans by completing daily task as a newcomer. So the second way you're going to earn on Niki Live is by receiving virtual gifts. So you have things like diamonds, flowers, virtual sports cars from your viewers or your club members. Then the third one is running successful group rooms. So the way to cash out the money on Niki Live is either through PayPal, Payoneer, Binance, or your direct local bank transfer once you hit $10 minimum threshold. So for those of you that are math students in the comment section watching this video, if 10,000 beans is equal to $1, how many thousand beans will make $10? Because until you make $10, you cannot withdraw any money on the platform. Okay, so now let's compare Meyo. They all do the same thing, but we're going to be looking at the differences. So now with Meyo, while Niki Live is a group party, Meyo itself brands itself as a new generation socializing and matching app. Their biggest claim is efficiency. So Meyo users uses an advanced AI matching algorithm designed to proactively recommend users with shared interests, resulting in an average response time of under 5 seconds. If you hate streaming to an empty room, Meyo fixes that instantly by driving traffic directly to your interaction. They are also very strict about safety. Okay, so they undergo a 90% two-factor authentication, machine and human identity authentication. This means fewer bots, fewer fake accounts, and a much more authentic crowd. Now on Meyo, monetization is slightly different and they have different ways of monetizing. So I'm going to break it down for you. Please, before we go on, like this video. So on Meyo, you can host live video calls, but you also earn your gold and gift through one, private texting and voice chats. So you can get rewarded for texting with people. That's why you see people say, oh, chat with lonely white strangers abroad. That's what they're talking about. So as long as the user is authenticated, then you can play Ludo games. So you can play casual games inside group chats to win gold. Family subscriptions, users can purchase monthly passes or rights to support specific families or creators. When you say family, it's not like your own family at home. So it's very, very transactional, fast-paced, and heavily driven by direct one-on-one localized city matching. So they will match you to where you are based on Meyo. So if we want to put them side by side, right, and compare, so what is the vibe on Niki? Vibe on Niki is large scale group parties and PK battles. So if you want to start using the platform as a user or as a recruiter, you need to have like a group of 10 people that you people can be going live together. Maybe we'll do another video about that. But Meyo, you need one-on-one, close. Is more like an intimate, do you understand, setting. That's virtual setting. Now, who is Niki best for? If you're an outgoing entertainer, community builder, Niki is good for you. Meyo is better for private hosts, casual gamers. Then earning style on Niki Live, gifting, daily task, agency commission, tiers. Meyo, you have direct text, voice chat, rewards, games, and gifts. Security, Niki has a standard community monitoring, so you can't just be doing like X-rated stuff on Niki. For Meyo, they have strict two-factor machine and human verification. How do you withdraw money? On Niki, your local bank, PayPal, Payoneer, ePay, or Binance. On Meyo, you have e-wallets, crypto options, or local banking. So if you ask me now, which one is the better one? To be honest, it depends on your personality, and there's really no right or wrong app. Do you understand? Why Niki Live is a marathon where you build a loyal club or a guy that showers it with massive gift effects during live events, Meyo is a sprint where you can log on, leverage AI to match with real people immediately, earn from text, voice, and mini games without needing a massive production. Finally, you go with Niki Live if you love the limelight, if you like many people, you're an extrovert, you like PK battles, you understand, go with that. But go with Meyo if you want more intimate interactions. Okay, you want to monetize your voice, your text, without being on the camera 247, right? And you want AI that can really authenticates people within your locality, then Meyo will be better for you. Anyway, which of the two apps sounds like the best fit for your streaming style? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more platform deep dives, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy streaming.